What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are brewing some beers. So yeah, check it out.
Myanmar beer master brewery.
Alright. Let's take a look. So I'm here at Barbie Brewery and I'm making a collaboration brew between my craft beer brand, which is Baikale Brewing Co. and Barbie Brewery for their 7-year anniversary here in Yangon. So yeah, the beer will be out in January 19th and January 20th and only available on the event day itself. Yeah, we're brewing something exciting, which is gonna be my beer. It's gonna be passion fruit sour. And yeah, I've been working the whole day with this master brewer here in Myanmar. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting when the beer comes out. But the whole process of making beer, it's fun for me, but it might not be fun for you. But you know, just take a look, see it, look at the B-rolls, and you know, see how we work, you know, our magic.
Chore da.
Minari. So for those beer geeks out there, if you are on my channel, I just want to share. I can't share with you like the whole recipe, but for this sour beer, I'll be using these two. As for my dry hop, Moatuka and Hector Blanc, I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, 100 grams of each going in during the whirlpool process. So yeah. Shiny there. There's a media team joining us, so she's just taking some photos over here. ဒီဘက်ကိုလှည့်ပြီးပြောလို့ရတယောက်ကမျက်နှာတော့မပါတော့ဒီဟိုအောင်လေဒီလိုပြောလိုက်မယ်လေအဲ့လိုရလားမနော်ရိုက်မယ်ဆိုတစ်ချက်ခေါ်ပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်နည်းနည်းဟိုတော့ရိုက်ထိုးပြပြီလေပန်နေကပါဘောဟုတ်ရ
ဟုတ်ပါအမ်ဘီယာတက်နေ มีอยู่เลย
อ้าวရတယ်ခရော့ကမယ်နော်
မရဘူး
မရဘူးလားဟာလုံးဝ bike ကလေးချင်းနေပြီ So on the day that I didn't dress up well, they are actually taking a lot of photos because I'm actually in my shorts right now. No. That's some dangerous stuff. ချားရလူ
အဲ့တော့ထည့်လိုက်နော်
အကုန်လုံးဘောင်းမီရှည်လေးတွေဖက်နက်လေးတွေနဲ့ကိုတွေပဲဘောင်းမီတို့နဲ့ Alright, oh my god, getting back to the office because it is super hot inside the brewery. So the brewing's almost done. Media duties are done. So yeah, just have to wait until like 30 more minutes to, you know, wrap things up. Yeah, I'm just gonna cool down myself in the office. And yeah, see you guys later. It's just too hot. Thank you.
တင်ထားတဲ့ချင်းပြီးနေတာအဲ့လိုပြစ်ထားတယ်
ဟုတ်ပြီမရက်ငါစပြောလာဆန်းဦးလေပါချင်းချက်ကဒီကောင်ချင်းချင်းတိတာဟုတ်တယ်တဲ့လူအဲ့ဒီ
Right. I've got a bag full of shirts. Let's go. Oh. Yo, yo, yo. Ra đây. Anh tay đi cho à? Làm gì đâu? Thật cân á. Cân. Nóng không? Rồi ra đấy. Chiro da lo à. Cuốn ra đi. Alright guys, that's the last vlog for 2023. It was an incredible year, man. Yeah, so many vlogs, so many stories, and so many incredible things for me at least. And yeah, it was a great year. And I just want to, you know, wish you guys a happy new year. 2024 is going to be great as well. So yeah, see you guys in 2024.